Welcome to my YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge.
What is the term for the charitable giving during Ramadan? Sadaqah, zakat, fitrana, saum. Correct answer is fitrana. What is the name of the prayer performed in the middle of the night? Fajr, Zohar, Tahajjud, Isha. Correct answer is Tahajjud. Who was the first woman to die for Islam? Aisha, Khatija, Fatima, Sumayya bint Khayat Razila Anhu. Correct answer is Sumayya bint Khayat Razila Anhu. What is the term for the obligatory fast during Ramadan? Saum, Salat, Hajj, Zakat. Saum. What is the name of the battle in which Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and his followers conquered Makkah? Battle of Uhud, Battle of Badr, Conquest of Makkah, Battle of Khandaq. Correct answer is Conquest of Makkah. What is the name of the month in which the Quran was revealed? Shawwal, Rajab, Ramadan, Dhul Hijjah. Correct answer is Ramadan. What is the name of the prayer performed at dawn? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib. Correct answer is Fajr. Who was the first scribe of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? Umar ibn Khattab, Usman ibn Affan, Abu Bakr, Zaid ibn Thabit, Radhiyallahu anhu. Correct answer is Zaid bin Thabit. What is the term for the night of decree in Ramadan? Laylatul Qadr, Israel Miraj, Eid al-Fitr, Laylatul Barat. Correct answer is Laylatul Qadr. How many rakats are there in the Maghrib prayer? 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer is 3 thirds.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.